What's up, guys? I had to make an emergency video because I just got the coolest gadget and I think it's perfect for backpacking and hiking. So what am I talking about? I got my first drone. And this thing is not just any drone, it's a DJI Neo. And the cool thing about this is I think it's perfect for backpacking and hiking. So first off, the weight. With the battery installed, the thing weighs 4.7 ounces, which is like 2 of these tuna packets that we carry for lunch. It weighs nothing. The other great thing about this thing, you don't even need a remote control. It has 6 different modes that you simply press a button and it will follow you, it will circle around you, it'll go in front of you, it'll lift off and take a wide shot of you. It does so many cool things simply without even a remote control. You can even manually control it with an app on your smartphone, so you can get all kinds of cool shots on the trail. The other great thing is the price. This thing's only $199. And, you know, in the drone world, nothing is cheap, especially from DJI. And this thing, it just seems like it works well and it's super simple and you don't need the fancy remotes and stuff like that. For $199, I view that as a really great deal.
2, 1.
That is amazing. So I got the Fly More combo. It comes with the drone, 2 extra batteries and a charging port, a USB-C cable, these propeller guards that I ended up taking off to save a little bit of weight, and then 2 extra propellers and a tiny screwdriver. Now let's take a look at the 6 quick recording modes. The first mode is follow mode, where the drone will follow you and record you. Using the iPhone app, you can decide whether you want the drone to fly far behind you, close, high, flat, or low. Orbit mode simply orbits around you. Could you imagine how awesome this would look on the top of a mountain? Here we have rocket mode, where the drone takes off and the camera angle is pointed down at you. Droney mode is kind of like a boomerang. The drone takes off, goes a distance, pauses for a moment, and then comes back at you. In spotlight mode, the drone stays in one place but moves around to follow your movements. Direction track mode is kind of like follow mode, except for the drone flies in front of you, recording you from the front. So the DJI Neo also has a cool feature where it will eliminate the propeller noise. I'm testing that out right now. And actually, this will be a good time to kind of give my final thoughts. So I love the DJI Neo's weight, and I love the fact that it doesn't need a remote control. To me, that adds just total simplicity. And you really don't even need your phone to use it. So when you're out on the trail, you can just select one of the 6 quick modes and make awesome videos, awesome photos. I think that is amazing and totally worth the price of $199. Some potential downsides. The video quality is not the best in the world. However, it's not terrible. And I think for social media video, it's just fine. So for me, I'm going to be bringing the DJI Neo out on all of my trips going forward. I just think it's a very useful tool, and I'm super excited to have it. And my upcoming videos will definitely feature shots taken with the DJI Neo. So I hope you'll check it out. See you guys later.